The baby balance bikes are designed to help the baby develop balance through an intuitive process of first walking while sitting over the saddle, then gliding with feet lifted, help the baby build confidence, independence, and coordination in the early stages. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Safe steering limit design, 135 degrees steering limit to avoid baby side falling down. So baby can be protected by our specialized design. Number 2. Soft supportive Ygjt seat, a curvate seat can support the baby well, it feels soft and comfortable. Number 3. Anti-skid silent wheel design, long-lasting Ygjt widened wheels prevent slipperiness and wear resistant while allowing riders to feel more in control. Suitable for the various road surfaces, such as carpet, wooden floor, or another flat place. Number 4. Easy riding for babies, the balance bike is easy to ride 10 to 24 months babies. Without pedals, it requires baby use their hands and feet to go forward and backward. Limited steer design keeps the toddler safe when riding. Number 5. Strength and skills development, balance is a very important skill that your child will learn from riding. Moreover, riding a balance bike not only helps build up your baby's strength but also develops their motor skills, coordination and agility. Number 6. Accompany and explore, with parents' loving companion, babies feel happier and more confident to try and challenge their first bike, therefore, can build a sunny and self-confident character from kids. Number 7. YGJT Minibike's own design patent, the eyes can blink with handlebar moving, recommend for 10 to 36 months baby, no pedals, fully enclosed wheel, avoid clamping baby's feet. With limited 135 degrees turning to avoid baby side falling down. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below, click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.